Alright guys, welcome to the new episode of From Weak to Heat.
We come from poverty, man, we ain't have a thing.
We come from poverty, man, we ain't have a thing.
It's your boy Kenny versus Poverty and the Poverty Cameraman. And I'm telling y'all, we got some cocaine. You know?
Something wrong with my dad.
We got some of that stuff, man. I'm finally a part of the club. I'm finally a part of the club, you guys. I've been grinding. Oh my God. So listen, we got an unboxing for y'all. We unboxing some of that stuff. All right, pick a box. Which box you want?
I want that one.
You want this box? The big box? Oh, you want the big box. All right, man. I'm open my box. He gonna pull out the shoes on his side first. I'm gonna pull out them shoes on my side.
My strength. Yeah, man. That hurt my thumb. Rowdy. It's upside down.
Hey, hold on. He opened the side with the size tag. You know what I'm saying? He ain't gonna read it. I don't want him to read it.
Wait a minute. You got
What are those?
some.
What are those?
You got some donkeys.
What are those? What are those? Hey!
Give me the box.
Ooh!
Give me the box.
Ooh! Okay. What's in there? Whoa! Whoa!
You got the
Whoa! Hey, listen. Kung Fu Panda. Panda. Whoa! Whoa! Do you...
I knew you had some dunks when I saw the box.
Listen,
You
man.
should hide.
Listen, I have a pair of the hottest selling shoes on record.
To the roar.
Come on, man. I have a pair of the hottest shoes. There's no other shoe that has sold in the last year as much as this shoe.
That's crazy.
Look. So okay. Hold on. So coming from where I come from in the sneaker game, right?
Right.
You would literally go to the store, you would get dunks like this, you would wear them, they hot, you know what I'm saying? They cool. They were not a million pairs selling and all of it. Like, when did this basic colorway, right? This basic color blocking, you got the black, you got the white, it's clean. It's nice. It goes with whatever you want it to go with. What made it go so crazy, though? What makes these go crazy? What about these is so special that they go so, you know what I'm saying?
Isn't this the bottom of the Jordan 1?
I just don't understand it. That's a good question. Is that the bottom of the Jordan 1? They clean, though.
Yeah, they hard.
Yeah, they clean. Just think, some people are able to get 50, 60 pair of these. Man, come on, man.
That's crazy.
All right, guys. So now for my box.
Uh-oh.
Cause I just been spinning until I'm dizzy. Hey!
What do you got?
Hey! That's a Nike box. That's a nut.
You better not have no more donkeys.
What the Tesla sound like when it been the block? Ooh, come on. Come on, man.
Wait a minute, what?
Come on. Come on, man.
What?
I'm giving you the dark side of the moon. Look at these. Look at these. Look at these. Then look at these. Look at these. Then look at these.
I was just about to say it would look flyer if the black wasn't right here.
You was just about to say this would look flyer. This shoe would look flyer if this wasn't black.
Yes. And then you gonna
Whoop, whoop, a boop, boop.
You really gonna pull out some.
What are those, though, son? But
You get.
but what are those? Man, come on, man. I told you they had the big dunk restock, man.
That's crazy.
Come on, man. Well, I went crazy in the morning. What you talking about?
But a big dunk restock means less money for it.
Oh, you mean the price went down?
Yes.
Yeah, it definitely affected the price.
So,
It definitely affected the price. But what's better? The price being affected and me having a chance to get these, or the price staying high and me not having none? I say, I say the situation in which I have not one, two pair of dunks.
I don't know which one I like more.
Two pair of dunks. You know what's crazy? The world is so hype on these. I like these more.
Crease right there too.
I know. You see that?
I don't like that at all.
Look how the shoes. Well, look. This just shows you. So this is what he's talking about. Let me show you guys. He's talking about the out of the box factory creasing on this part right here.
I would take those shoes if they had red laces.
You would put red laces in the white joints?
Because I would put red laces in either one of those.
You would put red laces in either one of these?
Either one.
So seeing the side-by-side comparison, man, what you guys think?
I don't know.
Would you take the hype sneaker that everybody on right now? The Panda, the Kung Fu Pandas?
Kung Fu fighting.
Yeah. Oh, this Tigers right here.
Really?
Oh, this Tigers right here.
Really?
Oh, man, and would you take Tigers?
Yeah.
I'm going with these, bro. I'm rocking with these.
Them are hard and all, but these joints are crazy.
These?
And why was the box different size?
Right.
If they're both the same size.
Right. Good question. That's a very good question. Why did Nike send me one with a bigger box and the one for this box it just fit exactly in? This box fits exactly that size, and this box here, they sent me a bigger box, so this box in here could slide around. I don't know why they would do that.
That would make this one crease. Why would that one be creased then?
Because that's just the natural factory flaws that come with the. That's just the natural factory flaws that come with the leather. Like when you're building and stitching leather, sometimes, you know what I'm saying, it gets a little creased.
I want these, man.
You want those?
These are him.
You want the dunkers?
Yeah, these are hard.
Oh man, you know what I'm saying? They ain't nothing. You know what I'm saying? You come up with about 300. They ain't nothing. Woo! Woo! Man.
That's a lot of money.
Look, got some little jig jag on the bottom, man.
These shoes, you can see the glue, but you can't see it like right there.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, that looks like the Jordan 1 bottom.
That's the Jordan 1 bottom? Are you gonna stand on that?
That is.
Are you gonna stand on that?
That is the Jordan 1 bottom.
See, you gotta get you some Jordan 1s so you can compare.
Well, I don't got no money. I'm broke.
Not if you sell these Tigers dunks. Boy! Listen. Alright, guys. The heat about to go crazy, man. Cause the next time I see y'all, the next time y'all see me, hopefully these boys been cashed in, man. I could ching make them disappear, and then ching make them disappear.
Do you think if you go to the city store now, they gonna?
Oh, come on, man. Come on, man. Yeah. We take these to the local shops, but it definitely gonna put some respect on our name. They definitely gonna put some, but then the shop's gonna hit you with the low ball. They gonna hit you with the, I give you 200. I give you 200. I say taking these.
How much did you pay for them?
To the local shop. Don't worry about it. I say taking these.
Really?
Hey, don't worry about that. I say taking these to the local shop. They probably give me 200 for these, and try to give me like 180 for these.
That's cold.
So we gonna see what it's talking about. We gonna see what it's talking about. So guys, we unboxed everything. That's all I got for y'all on this episode of From Week to Heat, man. You know what I'm saying? We gonna get straight to it. We gonna get straight to it. I'm gonna get these done posted right now so we can get this money right now. Oh, I need that.
You really got some dumb.
No. I could got some dunks. You know what I'm saying? I was going after some dunks. I hit on the Pandas. Come on, man. There's not a sneaker app right now that don't got this as the #1 selling shoe. Come on, man.
StockX.
Come on, man. Tell them what the #1 selling shoe in the world.
StockX.
Come on, man. Comment Hype called these the recession proofs. They said they just loaded up on another 150 pair recession proof dunks.
Ow.
We got the recession proof boys, and these the
underdog.
Come on, man.
Though, if the swoosh was red, that's what would make it go all together.
Where do you keep getting this red from, bro?
My color is red.
This. All right, man. We out. This man's wild, man. We'll see you guys on next episode of From Week to Heat next week. Hopefully by then, by the time I see you guys again, the shoes have sold. I can tell you how much I sold them for. And we out, baby.
12 seconds later.
10 minutes in, man. You know what I'm talking about? Them joints moved in 10 minutes, boy. 10 minutes. 10 minute, man. 10 minute.
When I look around, all I see is